Okay, good morning. This is Madanachari, contract lecturer working at GPW, Jogipet. Today we are going to discuss Unit 3 vocabulary. Unit 3 vocabulary. From the vocabulary, we are going to discuss the topic is words often confused. What is the topic? Words often confused. Means what? Words often confused means what? Words often confused means the words pronounce the same. The word pronounce the same, but the spelling of those words are different, as well as the meaning is also different. Okay, do you understand? Okay, once again, the pronunciation is different. The pronunciation is the same, but the spelling of those words are different. The spelling of those words are different, as well as the meaning of those words are also different. But only thing is the pronunciation is the same. The pronunciation is the same. Okay, we may call it as confusing words. We may call them as a confusing words. Here, the thing we should learn that the outcome of the topic is differentiate between the similar words. Differentiate between the similar words. Okay, here we are going to observe. Here we are going to observe a few words, how they are different, in spelling or meaning. Okay, here a few words. The first one is accept. First one is accept. Second one is accept. Okay, accept meaning I agree to receive or do. I agree to receive or do. And the second word of that meaning, not including. Okay, we go to the one example. I accept my brother's proposal to buy a new house. I accept my brother's proposal to buy a new house. And the second one, accept Ramu, everyone should stand. Except Ramu, everyone should stand. Okay, I think you have understand the differentiation between these words. But the only thing is, while we are pronouncing, the pronunciation is the same, but the word is different, as well as the meaning is also different. Then okay, here there are a few words also. Already. Okay, already. Here, if we observe, both words pronounce the same. Both words are pronouncing same, but the spelling is different, as well as the meaning is also different. Here, if we observe already, according to the first one, something that happened previously, previously, something that happened previously. Here we have an example with the first word. When we arrived at the station, the train had already left. When we arrived the station, the train had already left. Okay, this is about the first word already. And go for the second one, already. Okay, here the spelling is ALLREADY, but the first one is ALREADY. Okay, whereas in second sentence, the meaning of the second sentence already, all prepared, already. Okay, but the second sentence meaning is already, but pronunciation is the same. Here the second word meaning is let's go. We are all ready to leave now. We are all ready to leave now. Okay, means here both words are pronounced same, but the spelling is different as well as the meaning is also different. Okay, then the second, if we observe the another sentence, all together. Okay, the first word's meaning completely, altogether means completely. The question left him altogether perplexed, means here altogether means finished or completed. All, the second word is all together means in a group, combination of the group. The children stayed all together in the classroom or in the kitchen or in the playground, so that we can understand the difference in meaning as well as spelling, but the pronunciation is the same. Okay, okay, here there are a few words, online, and the second one is online. Okay, next, quite or quite, but the pronunciation is the same, but the spelling of that word is different as well as the meaning of that word is also different. And especially means particularly, specially for a purpose. Farther and further, older, elder. Beside, besides, by, here. Okay, here if we observe this kind of words, we may treat them as the oftenly confusing words. The words oftenly confused, means the main thing of this topic is the pronunciation of the words is same, but they are different in spelling as well as different in meaning also. Okay, the topic is words often confused. Okay, here in the topic itself express words confused. Okay, this is the topic, words often confused.